So the salad and this city design, HXDDWJ84. These are the ones you need. These are the ones this is the one you want to get the salad run. Okay, if you want a salad franchise, you're gonna get this city. Perfect. And I'm not gonna bring any items, just to show you guys that it is possible to do without items. Okay, so what you're gonna do first off is you need your booking desk. So I'm gonna put the booking desk up here, purchase it, and then what we're gonna do is grab all of these and put them up here like so. Perfect. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this dishwasher. It's gonna go right here, like so. Dishes are gonna go right here, and this can go up here as well. And for right now, we're pretty well organized. We don't need to do much. The first couple days is very, very easy, but you're gonna see it's gonna get very stressful the later we get on. So let me first off grab this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to place the table right here like so. And now you have no door to the outside, but you do not need it. So let's get right into it. We start the day right away. And I just like to destroy this phone. Just wreck the phone. So we had a great day. Earned lots of tips. So we're going to need the research desk, which is really nice to have. I'm going to buy that right in here. What the research desk does is it lets you upgrade things. So if it's next to a cabinet, this item will now be upgraded, and that item will be saved. So that's what we'll do for right now. So I'm gonna first finish the upgrade. So since we're doing so well, we go to the phone and we just hit it. There we go. We got a little bit of extra money. So star 1. At each star, you're gonna have to make a choice. So this one is very easy. Empathy is the one we want. Onion rings is too much work. We want a counter. What else do we want? Dining table. This will become a workstation, which is very helpful, in my opinion. Power sink. Let's go. W, baby. Now look how fast we chop because of this workstation. It's absolutely incredible. It's magic what this workstation does for us. Okay, wait. So here you have two choices. You have affordable and formal. One's wrong, one's right. The one you want is formal. That is the correct choice. Okay, so here's another thing. If you choose the lunch rush, you've lost. If you choose the salad toppings, you've won. So choose salad toppings, trust me. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually not a lot. So what I can do right now is actually get rid of this because I don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna grab this. This is going in the trash. Good. Then what I need is I do need this mascot. Buy him. And then, so I'm going to put one dining table here. So here's the crucial thing. As soon as you get the grabber, you want to put it in here. So you want to put the grabber in there. It becomes a smart grabber, which is perfect. It's exactly what we need. So you guys see when I wash plates, I have to freaking always put them on that side. Very soon, once we buy that smart grabber, we won't have to worry about that anymore. So this is what we do now. We're gonna grab this, put this here, and this here. This dish rack we can put right here. This sink we can throw away because we don't need it. What I need to do is I need to start the day and put a plate on this smart grabber. The smart grabber will now only grab clean plates. That's it. So now we've upgraded the table. We got more customers before closing or chips as a side. Very easy choice. Chips as a side, guys. Now you might say, oh, Claudio, this is thing. No, trust me. It is not difficult. Get this I don't need anymore. You only need one hob. That's it. Just go in here and you just throw it away. Bang. Okay. Guess I can do... What do I do here? Guess I'll do a prep station. So here, I would just add simplicity because the carrot soup is way too hard. So just add, you can only use the desks once a day. Okay. So now we're gonna grab the safety hob, which is way better than the regular hob because it won't burn the fries. So we're gonna throw this in here. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, we're doing good. I'm gonna put this desk right here.